In this video, I'll compare GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels side by side. With my GoHighLevel link, you can try the platform free for 30 days. And if ClickFunnels ends up being the better choice for you, my link gets you 3 full months of ClickFunnels for just $99 total. Let's start with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels was originally built to help people create sales funnels that convert visitors into customers. If you're selling a digital product, online course, coaching program, membership, ebook, PDF guide, or even a physical product, ClickFunnels makes it easy to build landing pages, sales pages, order forms, upsells, and complete sales funnels without needing to code. One of the biggest strengths of ClickFunnels is its simplicity. The platform is focused on helping you get a funnel online quickly so you can start generating leads and sales. It also includes templates, email marketing tools, memberships, and e-commerce features, making it a solid option for creators and entrepreneurs who want to focus primarily on selling online. Now let's look at GoHighLevel. While ClickFunnels is primarily a funnel building platform, GoHighLevel is more of a complete business operating system. It includes website building, funnel building, CRM functionality, email marketing, SMS marketing, appointment scheduling, lead management, social media tools, automation workflows, reputation management, client communication, app creation, lead sourcing tools, and much more. In other words, GoHighLevel isn't just trying to help you build a funnel, it's trying to help you run your entire business from one dashboard. This is one of the main reasons why so many marketing agencies, consultants, and service-based businesses choose GoHighLevel. Instead of paying for multiple software subscriptions, many businesses can consolidate their tools into a single platform. When it comes to building funnels, both platforms do a great job. ClickFunnels has been focused on funnel building for years, and it shows. The interface is beginner-friendly, the templates are polished, and the platform is designed specifically around creating sales funnels that convert. GoHighLevel also includes a powerful funnel builder and website builder. In fact, many users create excellent funnels inside GoHighLevel without ever needing ClickFunnels. However, some users feel ClickFunnels still has a slight advantage when it comes to ease of use and funnel-focused features. If your primary goal is simply building sales funnels and selling digital products, ClickFunnels may feel more streamlined. When it comes to CRM features and automation, the difference is significant. GoHighLevel was built around CRM and automation capabilities. You can track leads, manage conversations, automate follow-ups, send text messages, create email sequences, build complex workflows, manage appointments, and oversee entire customer journeys. For agencies, sales teams, and service businesses, these features can be incredibly valuable. ClickFunnels includes automation tools as well, but CRM functionality is not the primary focus of the platform. If advanced customer relationship management is important to your business, GoHighLevel is likely the stronger choice. Both platforms allow you to build websites. ClickFunnels enables users to create websites and sales pages that integrate directly with their funnels. GoHighLevel also includes website building capabilities and allows users to manage websites alongside funnels, customer communications, and automations. For many businesses, either platform can handle website creation successfully. The bigger question is whether you want your website connected to a larger CRM ecosystem or primarily connected to your sales funnel strategy. If you're creating and selling online courses, coaching programs, memberships, ebooks, PDF guides, or digital downloads, ClickFunnels is often one of the easiest solutions to get started with. Its funnel-first approach makes it straightforward to create landing pages, checkout pages, upsells, and member areas. Many successful course creators have built entire businesses using ClickFunnels. If you're running a marketing agency, a consulting business, a local service business, a lead generation company, a business that relies heavily on follow-up and client communication, GoHighLevel often becomes the more attractive option. The CRM, automation tools, pipeline management, appointment scheduling, communication features, and white label capabilities give agencies a tremendous amount of flexibility. The value you receive depends heavily on what you need. If your goal is primarily creating funnels and selling products, ClickFunnels may provide everything you need in a simpler package. If you're paying separately for CRM software, email marketing software, texting software, scheduling software, and automation software, GoHighLevel may actually help reduce the number of tools you're paying for. That's why many business owners consider it one of the most comprehensive all-in-one platforms available today. The truth is that both ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel are excellent platforms. Neither one is objectively better for everyone. ClickFunnels excels at helping entrepreneurs create sales funnels and sell digital products quickly and efficiently. GoHighLevel excels at helping businesses manage leads, automate operations, communicate with customers, and run multiple aspects of their business from a single platform. If you're focused primarily on selling a course, PDF, coaching program, or digital product, ClickFunnels is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a powerful CRM and all-in-one business platform that handles funnels, websites, marketing automation, client communication, lead management, social media, and more, GoHighLevel is hard to beat. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that matches your business model. I've included links to both platforms in the description below, so you can explore their features and decide which one is the right fit for your business. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which platform you're considering.